Today, we're here to explain the power of compound interest and how you can make your money work for you and you don't have to sweat because it stays there and it keeps growing more and more and more and more.
This is Success, Yes or Yes, by Kuya Manzano. All about succeeding in life, career, and anything in between.
Hello, Jella. Hi there.
Hello.
Thank you for being here. So, uh, so I explain it to you because it's easier when you explain it, and because you're interested. Thank you for that, and thank
Yeah.
you because we together we're helping other people who never heard of this or heard about compound interest and they don't know about what it is. Have you heard about the word at least?
Yeah, I've heard about it when we had business math in college, but I was always confused about it.
You never got to apply it in your life and reap the benefits. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I was never really into that until recently. So,
Okay, so now this is it. Yeah. Sharing screen. Our best friend, the Excel file. Spreadsheets. Okay, guys. So we're going straight to the point, okay? How why? I'm ADHD. I have a hard time having a steady job. Jill is an artist, a freelance artist. She also doesn't have a steady job. So for us people, in these cases, or if you're bipolar, or if you're simply lazy, you want to build some passive income. Make your money work for you instead of you pursuing the money the whole time. Yeah. So this is one very simple method that anyone can do. It's legal and it's easy. I'm gonna show everybody here how to build $1,000 with only 1 minute sweat. How about that? It sounds like a scam. It sounds like
that's
magic.
insane.
But it's simple and it's possible and everything. Okay, so okay, since you and I spoke the other day, there are
Mhm.
there are ways to build through high savings accounts, they call it, or high yield savings accounts. So the good thing, okay, so we need a vehicle, okay. What's gonna a vehicle, and then what's the vehicle is gonna be ing bank account. Okay, disclaimer: ing doesn't pay us anything. I use it at your own risk.
Hmm.
It's a bank from the Netherlands. It's been in the Philippines for 30 years. We live in the Philippines, Jill and I. But this bank is in Spain. It's in all over the world. I already had accounts with this bank 20 years ago in Spain. And depending on your country, the interest will be higher or lower. The good thing living in the Philippines, the interest is very high. Why? Because the price of money for lending in the Philippines is very high. Therefore, some banks can also afford to give us high interest. Okay. So what's the let's say call it benefit. I'm not using technical terms at all. Okay, it's giving around a 4% yearly. Yearly yield, and it gives you a person. Let's say that's the yearly yield, and then divided by 12, they deposit that in your bank account every month. Why? That's why I divide by 12, because every month they give you money. Yeah, every month you have to pay the rent, right? Every month you have to pay the electricity. So it's good to have investments that give you monthly income, so your life will be easier, less thinking. Yeah, you see, it's like having a little salary. Okay, and then how much are we gonna put? We're gonna call this our deposit. Okay, deposit. Anyone can do this any place in the world. We're doing it with the example of the Philippines because it's where we are. So we're gonna see how we build 60,000 pesos. Are we correct? That was the computation we did together, right, Jella?
Yeah.
60,000. So how will we? That's more than $1,000 actually. So yeah, but I promised Jella that we're gonna do more than that. Ha ha ha! See, so we under delivered and we over no under promise over deliver. There. Actually, Grant Cardone says over promise and then over deliver. So double accountability. Okay, we're gonna deposit 30,000 pesos. 30,000 pesos is more or less in dollars, $500, something like that. 500 or $600. 600, I think. Yeah, $600. Great. So we're gonna deposit there in pesos, but you can convert. How much are we gonna get yearly? Okay, yearly profit. Yearly profit. Okay, so how much are we gonna get? We're gonna get equal 30,000 times 4%. What's that? 1,200. Yes? Easy.
Yep.
That's what we get per year. Okay, per year. Okay, so how much we're gonna get that per year for free forever. Forever. Okay, so
That's crazy.
say we live another 50 years. Come on, you and I, we're gonna live another 50 years. Okay. So lifetime, it's an average, okay? 50 years. So we make 50 times 1,200, yeah? Total 60,000 pesos.
Damn.
60,000 pesos. Okay, we're gonna wait, but there's more. We're not done. There's more. Okay. Oh wait, are we record? I don't even remember. Are we recording? I hope
Yeah, we're recording.
How do you know?
It says here it's recording on my screen.
Okay. See, guys, this is my ADHD. Thank you for reminding me. Okay, so just leaving our money there in ING, high yield savings account in the Philippines, which is almost a 4%. We're making it a little rough numbers here. It's going to give us in our lifetime 60,000 pesos, which is more than $1,000. How long did it take us to do this operation? We only had to deposit 30,000. We only needed to deposit 30,000 in the bank account. How long did it take you to do that? 1 minute, right? So for 1 minute effort, you got $1,000+. Woohoo! Right? And many people can achieve to get 30,000. If you have less, okay, you compute. You can start smaller. If you have more, you can start bigger. Okay, so there. It's just I think it's a reasonable example that many people that we know can do. Okay, so there. 60,000. So up to this point, compound interest is not in the picture. This is normal savings operation that your bank can give you. What is compound interest? Compound interest is you have a deposit that's earning money, and every year it's earning a little. So every year, your savings are going to be a little bigger, a little bigger, a little bigger. Yes?
Yeah.
Because it has the dividend that it's giving you, right? It's the interest that it's giving you. So next year, the dividend is going to be bigger per month. Why? Because the savings is bigger per month. Okay.
Oh.
Let's make a little example. Okay, so let's say year, and then savings. Your savings. Your savings first year is 30,000. No, savings, or let's call it deposit, so it's the same as before. Let's not confuse the people or myself. Deposit. The year one, we said that profit for year one is how much?
1,200.
1,200. Okay, so by year By year 2, how much do we have? We have the 30,000 plus the profit. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
So by year 2, our deposit is bigger than for year 1. Therefore, our yields, our result, our profit will be bigger than year 1.
Mm-hmm.
It's yes. Is it easy? Is it pure logic?
Yeah.
The more you put in your deposit, the more profit the bank will give you, because it's
Mm-hmm.
percentage, right? So okay, the profit. Let's make this a calculated form. Is this times 0.04, right? There. Okay. So for year 2, the profit is going to be 1,248 pesos. You see, for year 1, the bank gave you 1,200. For year 2, it gives you 1,248. Why? Because your deposit was higher. So the more you give the bank, the more it gives you back,
Oh.
right?
Yeah.
If you put here 1 million pesos in the deposit, the bank will give you more than 1,200 pesos, right? It's proportional. It's always a 4%.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
not sure you're sure.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm already trying to think of how much it will give monthly.
Monthly it gives in the first year. Okay, monthly. You want to see this monthly?
Yeah.
Monthly. Whatever it gives divided by 12. No? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it gives you
So
100.
it also changes for the second year.
Of course, because your deposit was bigger.
Mm-hmm.
You gave the bank more money. So next year, since you gave more money, every month it's going to give you 104 pesos.
Oh.
4 extra peso. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hey, actually that's big. If
It
you if
is.
you compare it to month 1,
Yeah.
it's 4% more.
Yeah.
We already earned 4%, and now we're getting 4% more? What?
Yeah.
What? What? Okay. So what's going to happen in year 3? We deposited in year 2. We deposited 31,200. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and the profit was 1,248. So how much do we have when we start January next year, year 3? We have 32,400 something. Yes, this
Oh.
is year 3. What's the profit? Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
Different deposit will give you different profit.
Hmm.
Yes.
Yep.
So this year we're almost getting 1,300 pesos. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And monthly it's 108 pesos. That's almost a 10% from year 1, man.
Yeah. Without doing anything.
Without doing anything. Okay. And the power of Excel. This is why Excel is our friend. We're going to extend this to 50 years, right?
Yeah.
We're going to leave this money. Let's leave that money. This $500, $600. We're going to leave it at 30,000 pesos. We're going to leave it for 50 years. Where's the 50 years? Oh, 33. Wait. Don't move. 50 years. There. Never mind this. Okay. So by year 50, how much is this? I cannot even count. By year 50, our 30,000 became 205,000 pesos
Oh my
by
gosh.
year 50. And it's giving us 8,200 pesos a year. Okay. And each month, that means each month I'm earning 683 pesos. I'm earning 683 pesos without working. This is the beauty of this. Wait, some people will say, "Hi, 600, come on, that's $10, that's $12. What's that? What's that?" Hey, you only invested 30,000 pesos long time ago and you never worked for it. Do you think about that? Okay, so at the end, what's our real profit here? We have this minus what did we put in? How much did we put in? 30,000. So this is what we earned. We earned 175,000 pesos
Wow.
with 1 minute effort
Without doing anything.
thanks to compound interest. Is
That's
that nuts?
insane.
It's insane. And it's legal. And it's not such a big return. 4%. I mean, there are other vehicles in the market that give you better returns. The more returns you want, the more risk you're taking. Okay? So we chose the ING Bank because it's safe, because it's a bank, because it's a savings account, and it's not an investment. This is not an investment. It's just a savings account. It's a mini investment, but there's no risk. That's my point. It's not a business that you can go broke or something like that. Yeah. It's a small risk. So you produce, how much is this in dollars? Because I promised $1,000 to the viewer today, divided by 50, right? This is $3,500 with the face of George Washington, the person who never said a lie in his life. Yes? $3,500 of Donald Trump are yours in 1 minute sweat. No sweat, thanks to compound interest if you open a high yield savings account. We did this with ING, but there are other possibilities to do it in the Philippines. There are other possibilities to do it in any country with other vehicles. It can be stocks, it can be bonds. Okay, so this is the power of compound interest. If you liked it, subscribe for more. Yeah, and please share this. We're doing this for free to help people. Okay, so the only way you can help us, a good way you can help us, comment, like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who is like us, ADHD, bipolar, a freelance artist, or a lazy person who wants to make their money work for them. It's just there. It's just there. And it's easy. Is it easy, Jella?
Yeah. Now that I see everything, everything's so easy.
You understand how the math works from year 1, 2 to 3?
Yeah, I see it now. With everything laid out there, I understand it more now.
And then you just extend. Do you understand it 100%?
Yep.
You see how the next year it has a little more because you earned something?
Yeah.
That's how it compounds. It compounds. It builds up by itself.
I see it.
On autopilot. It's paradism. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Kuya Manzano and Angela Amor here for you. Okay. See ya. Thanks.
This is Success, Yes or Yes, by Kuya Manzano. All about succeeding in life, career, and anything in between.